Can you please make the Travis Scott burger? Straight up! Lettuce and onion, chop and screw. Yeah. Grab the baking tray, lay out the bacon, and bake at 420 for 20 minutes. It's lit! Peel and slice the potatoes. Put them in ice water for 30 minutes to cool. Dry them and fry them at 350 for 8 minutes. And blast them with salt right after. Lastly, we add a 1/4 pound of beef to the frying pan. Flatten it, season it with salt and pepper, and cook for 3 minutes. Flip, add the cheese, and cover until melted. Give me the loop. On a sesame seed bun, cheese, burger, bacon, lettuce, onion, pickles, ketchup, and mustard. Serve our fries with barbecue sauce and a dough. And you better double cup that dirty Sprite. Oh, no. I get those goosebumps every time I have a Travi Patty. Sorry I had to go sicko mode on you guys.
Let's make homemade pasta.
Get out of my video, Nick!
Crack 12 eggs, keep the yolks.
Then pour out your flour, make a nice grater. A nice pour in your yolks, mix it into the flour until you have a nice dough. Need faster!
I'm sorry, Lynja.
I didn't mean to yell at you before. Cut the dough into quarters, and they should be nice triangles. Flour the board and roll out the dough. Make Nick bring in the mixer and make him make pasta sheets. It should be 1 lynja length long. Cut it into fettuccine and finally cook it in your sauce. Here's Henry, my chive plant. Serve and top with chives.
Cheers.
That's what I'm talking about. Are you tired of boring instant ramen? Karate chop the noodles and cook them in boiling water until they're soft. Add the flavor pack, peanut butter, and sriracha. Pour your Thai noodles into a bowl and top with sesame seeds. Looks fire, Lynja. Thanks, little Lynja. This is how you make a Grimace shake. A cup of blueberries, 1/2 cup of raspberries, 3 scoops of ice cream, and 1/2 cup of milk. Blend it and serve with whipped cream and a straw. Happy birthday, Grimace. That's pretty good.
Therefore, I just wanted to know if you should use the back 76 to come out in circle or to the...
This is the crunchiest snack. Scrunch it up. Oh, it's wiggly. Level 1 pancakes. Pretty good. I think we could do better.
I'll just take that.
Level 2 pancakes. Top with maple syrup and butter. Delicious pancakes.
What are these, tiny pancakes?
Level 3 pancakes. That thing's jiggling more than your girlfriend. Bonus egg! Add the flour. Jigglypuff. It's so delicate. It's me, the grilling grandma. First, we gotta remove the fat. It's like a blank sunscreen. Season her up. It better be fully coated or I'm coming for you. Slap it on the grill at 275 for 6 hours. Oh, it smells delicious. Now we slap it on. Next, we wrap it. It's like a greasy Christmas present. Just gonna let it cook to 204 internally. It's jiggling more than ice spice. That's what I call juicy. Nothing like good brisket. You want lynja ramen? I can't control it. Yeah. Next, we throw the egg into the washing machine. I don't think this is how you're supposed to do it. It worked. We're making the bowl here. Fantastico. Level 1 nuggets.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Level 2 nugget.
Look how cute he is.
Flour, eggs, breadcrumbs.
What's that for?
Level 3 nuggets. It's Jack the chicken.
Hey! It's time to go, Jack.
A little gold dust.
Your poop's gonna be gold, Dobby.
Just how I like it.